Hello, I want to show my FreeDOS project. It's just an editor for a 3D editor, the 3D level editor. It can be used to edit levels with 3D objects. It's currently just an object placer or something like this. I started now. It's pretty few files. It's pretty small, like 1,000 lines of code or something. And it's made with EMGUI. So EMGUI is a graphics user interface library which is used on Windows and Mac and PlayStation 2 and PlayStation 3 and so on. And what Xbox or what? And also EMGUI is a pretty common GUI framework on other computers. And I show just loading a scene now. Let's see. I just choose the test scene. It's not so awesome looking, but it's already pretty cool and you can walk around with it. And here you see the objects. I didn't name them. They all look, they all have the same name, but you can select them. And the tool has many features. It's pretty awesome. So let's take another scene. I didn't have a new scene, so I go out of the stuff now. I wanted to show some other stuff of the editor now. It's I made it in 3 weeks somehow now. It's 3 weeks old with EMGUI. And I can add a mesh. I give it no name currently. And zack. Let's see. I'm a German, that's why my bad English, but maybe you can tolerate this. So now I loaded the girl object. I centered the camera now to the selection and you see the girl. It's all DOS. The editor runs in 800 by 600 and you see that that is pretty fast and that's by doing something I can show it. Let's make the speed a little bit slower here. You see that if you move the objects then it chooses a lower resolution at moving and so you can edit pretty awesome scenes. And it's pretty fast. The OpenGL which I use is WhatComGL, which I also coded. It's an OpenGL for FreeDOS or for MS-DOS or something. It's coded for WhatComZ, but it can be used with OpenWhatCom and with DJGPP. It runs there. DJGPP is the fastest. It's almost twice as fast as this one here. This is WhatComZ 11, which is from 1997. And now I show another stuff here, like let's see, the fun thing comes now. I load the scenes here, like an example. Come test. The editor can be used to build your own levels. It's just if you want to build a 3D game, then you can use this DOS editor to build levels. And you see there's a spline here, a curved line, which is the camera, and this one is an object which is algorithmically generated. I have this one here, it's a repeated object. I hope I don't steal your time. Maybe it's okay for you if I just show stuff here, like you can just edit how this looks. Let's take a 35, something like this. And now you can also use the camera. You see I have a camera in the scene here. This camera, I don't show much of the editor. It's currently in the making, as it's not ready yet. But you can download it as it's open source and you can download it. So let's see, I enable the camera. And you see that's the spline from just now. And you see that if I move it, then you can move through the scene. And maybe that can be used for games. I try to code a game later with it. But I first wanted to build the editor for it. And it's just in the making currently. But everything works already, and I think you can already build a game with it. I can also like load another object. Now it gets pretty hard. Also it's a pretty big object. You can't use many polygons. currently with the editor. Also like scenes with 1 million polygons will be too much. And let's see, I have the meshes here, there. And I have an office here. I don't know from which game it is. I think it's, maybe it's Genshin Impact, I'm not sure. Because I first wanted to do some game like Genshin Impact, it's on my to-do list. Also not the big, just a small role-playing game. And you see that I have to make the camera step farther. You see that, let's see, that it's already loaded it. So it looks a bit strange because it's selected currently, but you can just disable the selection and you see, aha, that's a room. And there you can place objects, a girth or something like this, and I have also the camera and so on. But yeah, that's the editor. That's for now, folks. I'm building on the editor, I'm implementing it and improving it further. It's already in a good state after 3 weeks, and I have the GitHub link in the description of the video. Have a nice day, all the best, and all the best.